Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Vivo Y17s device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, I'm gonna show you my keyboard display. And then you can hear the sound on my keyboard. And then to turn off it, here you can click on menu icon. And then click on sound and vibration menu. Well, after that, here you can turn off the sound on the keyboard by pressing this button. Okay, and then the keyboard sound has been turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off keyboard sound on Vivo Y17s device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.